Definition. Heron's formula is named after Heron of Alexandria, a Greek engineer and mathematician in 10 AD to 75 AD. We can use this formula to find the area of a triangle using the three side lengths. The formula given by Heron about the area of a triangle is also known as Heron's formula. Formula. We do not have to rely on the formula for area that uses base and height. The figure illustrates the general formula where S represents the semi-perimeter of the triangle. We just have to use two-step process. Step 1. Calculate S, half of the triangle's perimeter, using S is equal to A plus B plus C whole upon 2. And step 2. Then calculate the area using A is equal to square root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, where A, B and C are the sides of the triangle. Example. Let us look at some solved examples now. Use Heron's formula to find the area of triangle ABC if side AB is 3, BC is 2 and CA is 4. Solution. We will find the area step by step. Step 1. Calculate the semi-perimeter S, which is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. By substituting the values of sides we get S is equal to 3 plus 2 plus 4 whole upon 2. And by solving this we get S as 4.5. Step 2. By substitute S into the formula, A is equal to square root S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. We get A is equal to square root 4.5 into 4.5 minus 2 into 4.5 minus 3 into 4.5 minus 4. By calculating it, we get A is equal to square root 8.4375, which is approximately equal to 2.9. Given a triangle with an area of 8.94 square units, a perimeter of 16, and side lengths AB is equal to 3 and CA is equal to 7, what is the length of side BC? Solution. Step 1. Calculate the semi-perimeter S, which is equal to perimeter upon 2. Here perimeter given is 16. Therefore, S is 16 upon 2, which is 8. Step 2. Substitute the known values into this formula. A is equal to square root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Since the value of BC is not given, let X be the length BC. Therefore, by substituting the values we get 8.94 equals to square root 8 into 8 minus 3 into 8 minus X into 8 minus 7. Now solve for X by squaring both sides. We get 8.94 square equals to square root 8 into 8 minus 3 into 8 minus X into 8 minus 7 whole square. By calculating it, we get X is approximately equal to 6.0.